Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with Bullybag and Tool Company, here to showcase the Elite Pack with the paddle Bullybag Ultra Pouch. We'll start with the Bullybag Ultra Pouch. Now this is a compilation of tools that you're going to need in the field if you're handling any type of claim work, such as adjusters, project managers, roof sales, what have you. So this is the Bullybag Ultra Pouch, 12 chambers in all on this outstanding high-speed low drag unit. This one comes on a paddle clip, lightweight, and gets the job done just the way you need it. The next item in the Elite Pack is the 112 shingle gauge by Hague. This is an item that gauges the warranty level of the 3-tab shingles that were installed on or after July 2012. Next is the 409 shingle gauge. Now both of these gauges can be required by the carrier to document the file, so you're going to need them at some point. The 409 shingle gauge is good for laminated shingles. However, there is some contention there on, since the lifetime shingle came out back in 2012, still you're going to have to document the file one way or another. The Bullybag pitch indicator here, analog pitch indicator that a lot of insurance carriers require it be an analog, and this is our version of it. It's impact resistant analog, as you can see, and just a great item. Comes pre-drilled and ready for the field and ready to be tethered. I'm going to move down here just a little bit. So included with this Elite Pack is the Bullybag badge retainer, and this is great. This is really a lightweight retainer. I use this badge retainer. It works well with either the 112 or the 409 shingle gauge. The 409 actually outweighs it a little bit, but it's always been able to handle it for me, and I haven't lost a shingle gauge in 2 years. The next is the gear retainer. Now the gear retainer, I use this. It's got a pretty decent amount of retraction on that poly cord, and I use this to tether my camera whenever I'm in the field and I drop it on the roof. I drop it every time, seems like. But once it is attached to this, it's gonna go, but it's not gonna go very far. I'm gonna get it right back. The next item is the #1 size S-Beaner from Night Eyes. The reason that this is part of this Elite system is because for attaching things such as your phone, such as your camera, what have you, they need to tether and then not tether quickly. That S-Beaner works fantastic. So I'll take this, I'll attach it, maybe my lanyard on my phone, and then maybe clip this on my gear retainer, and then I can attach it and reattach it with ease. #4 S-Beaner, this is outstanding because this works in conjunction with items such as your AccuLines flipboard. What you do here is you'll take that #4 S-Beaner right here and just put it right through the clips. Right through the clips, put it right on the edge of your Ultra Pouch, and away you go. It also works outstanding for whenever you're handling your notes in the field, you're in the truck, and you take that S-Beaner and you clip it right on the visor, the little visor tab that you have, and there's your notes right in front of you. It's like it's like a already installed office. The adjusted grip 25-foot tape measure, outstanding tape measure. I can't say too much about this because it's just so great. It's got a large oversized swiveling head as well as a magnetic tip, numbered on both sides so that whenever you're trying to figure out what the measurement is, you can see it. You can actually attach this to a downspout or a rounded object with ease, and just an outstanding tape measure. Once you start to use that adjusted grip, you won't want anything else. The sidebar from Bullybag Tool Company, this is your #1 inspection tool for checking your layers, for checking using the shingle gauge to gauge the warranty of the shingle. If you have to do any siding samples, maybe you're sending something to ITEL, that's what the curvature on the other end is going to be for. Not to mention it is ergonomic and allows you to kind of save your knuckles a little bit whenever you're using it on the shingles for checking those layers. The Stanley, at some point you're going to need to measure that fencing that's went down, or maybe the elevation length in hole, and you're going to need that 100-foot tape, and the Elite combo comes with that. All of this comes all tied together and compact in your large orange Bandit Z-Pack. Now this is a great Z-Pack. It's translucent mesh on one side and then a deep saddle at the bottom, so you can fill it with items such as your laptop, your papers, your claim notes, what have you. Anything that's going to fit in there that you need to contain, it's going to do it. And this is the Elite combo from Bullybag and Tool Company. If the Elite isn't the right fit for you, we have a couple other options that we're going to showcase now. So the 8-pack comes with all the tools that you see here. You've got the Ultra Pouch on paddle, your adjusted grip 25-foot tape measure, your pitch indicator, the 409 shingle gauge from Hague, gear retainer, the badge retainer, outstanding tool managers there, as well as the Bullybag sidebar and your 100-foot long tape from Stanley. And if you're looking for less tools than the Elite or the 8-pack, we offer the 6-pack combo as well. That includes, of course, your Bullybag Ultra Pouch, 25-foot adjusted grip tape measure, your sidebar, the 409 shingle gauge, gear retainer, and the badge retainer. No matter what pack you choose, all of these tools are essential for you to go out there and claim the storm.